So a tabletop exercise or a walkthrough is a process you can run through with key members of a business to carry out a simulated scenario for a particular example might be ransomware outbreak. And it helps to test the business's security controls and processes to make sure that if you do have an incident, that you know how you're going to respond to that incident and how well it is dealt with. It's an important exercise to help a business ensure that the security controls it has in place, as well as its processes, are aligned with the risks that they're trying to tackle. Some examples of tabletop exercises are maybe a ransomware outbreak, or a business email compromise, or a fraudulent transaction. In its simplest form, this could even be a fire drill test. You should aim to complete a tabletop exercise at least once a year, but here at Tribeca we'd recommend at least quarterly to ensure that all business processes, no matter what type of incident you're dealing with, is catered for.